In this tutorial, we'll look at how to add page numbers in Canva in one click. Now, I have another video that I did before on how to add page numbers in Canva, but that was a more elaborate process where you had bulk create app and use it, and once you created it, you could not change it. So there were a lot of like minor things that you had to do to get the good page numbers. It was not so convenient. But now Canva has launched a new page numbers app or a page numbers feature with which it's quite easy to add page numbers. Let's go through that and how we can access it and how we can use it. So let's say I have this presentation of pitch deck and I want to add page numbers to it. There are 11 slides in this presentation and I want to add page numbers to all of them. So the easiest way to do is you just go here and you click on text, and here you will have the page numbers that is showing under dynamic text. If it is not showing for you, do not worry, it will come to you. It is being rolled out in stages to different people. So if you don't have it yet, then it will be there very soon. So you just click on page numbers, and before you do anything else, if you just click on it, it will automatically be applied. Page numbers will be applied on all pages. So here you see number 1, here you see 2, it's barely visible. Then you have 3, 4, and the great thing is it is also changing color based on the background. So here it's black, but here it's white. Here it's white, here it's black because it's still legible, black, here it's white, and here it's again black. Now, what happens if we want to not like how it looks? So we can change the appearance of the page numbers. So let's see what we can do. Here, let's say I want it to be a bit bigger. And it doesn't matter which number you're clicking on. You can go on any page and you can do your formatting and your appearance. So you have 10. And let's say I change the font to this one. And I add, make it longer, like bigger. Okay, so I click on that. But now my page 10 looks different from my page 9. So what you can simply do is click on your 10. And if this is not showing, just click on edit and you will get the same interface. And you say show page numbers, show numbers on all of these pages. And then you click apply properties to all pages. So once you click on that, all your pages will have the same appearance. So you can see here the font color, the size has changed, the font style has changed. It is exactly in the same place everywhere. Now, what I would love to do is also add like a background behind it. So if I just do this formatting and I want to put it here, this unfortunately will not apply across pages automatically because this is not a part of the page numbers app. So if you want to do something like this, you will have to do that manually. You just have to copy paste it everywhere. So let's delete that. Okay. Now, let's say I want to change the position. I want to put it here. Right, and I want to make it pink, for example. And you can do the same thing. Now see position 10 is here, but if I go to slide 7, it's still here. So I go back here, I click on this, do edit, and again you do apply properties to all pages. And then it is applied. Now if I go and look here, I see it here. Of course, you can take a single page and then make a change. Like if I make this white, that's fine. It will not change the other pages till I do apply properties on all pages. If you want to get rid of all the page numbers, again, click on the page number here, go to edit and do remove all page numbers. And it will be removed from all pages. Now the question is, can you avoid the page number on one page? So the easiest thing to do is, if you don't want the page number to show, you just hide it. So let's say I don't want the page number to show in this one. I can hide the page. And then what happens, my second page starts with number 1. So let's say, let me unhide this, and let's say this page number is 5, 6, and 7. Now I want to hide pages 5 and 6. So if I hide pages 5 and 6, or I delete, you can do either, then slide number 7 is now slide number 5, because it is automatically coming after slide 4 over here. So that is pretty cool that, it adjusts automatically. Whether you hide or delete, it will still, make the change by itself, and you don't have to do anything. The only thing that I wish we could do here, and it seems we can't, I still haven't figured out a way, is if you want this page number not to be applied on this page. So I don't want to put it here. And now, if I do this, pages 2 to 11, page 1 I don't want, done, apply properties to all pages. It is still taking it as 2. So I wish I could do, current page 2, let's say all pages, and I remove it, and I do all pages, and I only remove this, and I do done. Let's see if it applies. It will still start at 2. It does not start at 1. And from what I can make out, you cannot edit it and you cannot make it 1. That's the only drawback of that. But otherwise, it is super easy to add page numbers to all pages. What you can also do is change the style of the page number. So you don't necessarily have to do this numbers only. You can also do page plus number, in which case it shows page 2 here. Or you can do page X of Y, so page 2 of 11. It's a little bit bigger and a little bit like cluttered over here, but I just want to show you the style. And then if you apply properties to all pages, it gets applied automatically. So that's how you use the page numbers option, page numbers tool, to add page numbers in Canva just with one click. So if you don't want to do all of this, I took like 5 minutes showing you because I was doing all the options. But if you know exactly where you want your page number to go, you just put it there, choose the font, choose the color, put it there, and just to apply properties to all pages, and voila, you have page numbers on all pages. And the good thing is, unlike in the previous option, in the previous video when I shared how to add page numbers, once your pages were created, you could not add because the pages were being created as the numbers were being added. So it happens simultaneously. But in this case, you can apply page numbers to an already existing document. So that's kind of nice. Hope you like this video. If you're interested in more, do follow me for more Canva tips and tricks.